In trading, there is only three states to the market. Price is either trending, in a channel, or range bound. On Tuesday, there was a really nice downtrend, and we're going to go over how to understand and read health and momentum to be able to take a trade. Trend days are the easiest days to trade because price respects the previous support and resistance levels. So your stop losses and your drawdowns are very minimal. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 dropped 22 points. We're going to piggyback off the previous video that Eric made regarding that trend day, and we're going to speak about health and momentum and how to determine if a trade is likely to continue. So here you can see, after Eric had identified the possibility of a head and shoulders, once the first leg came in, you see the health of that leg. That's a huge leg down. And the momentum is the pullback is very minimal, maybe 30%, 40% pullback before the next huge drop. The health of the second leg is very good. So we could still anticipate another leg down, which is when we watch the liquidity build, the pullback, and then a third leg down. Now you see the health of this third leg, it's still very healthy. So you have a high percent chance of certainty that this trade will resume in the said direction. Trend days are the easiest days to trade because they support they respect the previous support and resistance levels. It never gets violated. The pullback never got violated up to that level. Eric in the morning, 7 minutes into the open, he already identified the green algorithm and the orange algorithm. He told us to look for a head and shoulders to form at the moving averages. We're lacking a bullish control, so be careful as it grinds up. This is 7 minutes into the market open and then 15 minutes into the market open. Nobody knows that the market's going to drop 22 points, but you prepare. You prepare for what can happen. At 11:50 in the morning, I posted, I'm looking for another leg down. Health and momentum is still good, watching liquidity building. This circle is 11:50 in the morning. I'm still looking for another leg down because this health is still good. So we chart the orange algorithm, and you see once the orange algorithm breaks, there's your break and retest. You could take a trade for the next leg down.